scrappy life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, where I am going to use this zipper cut file that is available in the shop, and I will link it all down below along with everything else. And these are going to be my two photos. These are like one of the many little like things that I did in 3rd grade for my kids, and for their project base, and just putting everything together in their STEM project and all of that. So they made little creatures that they got to have on their desk, which was desk buddies. And then we made an earthquake out of a bunch of different stuff. So that's what that is. And I am going to use the collection that came from the Scrap Room, August 2022. And they go by flavors of the month. So the flavor of the month that I'm using right now is the Echo Park Let's Craft, because I thought that this would be good with having like the STEM projects. So these are the papers that I have left, or that I have, and this is the stickers I can use. And so let's see what we can do. Okay, off camera, I backed my cut file in, or backed my cut file with the papers. And then what I did is that I then cut a slit into this paper that I'm using right here. And what I wanted to do is that I wanted to act like I kind of left my shirt open a little bit, or the paper open a little bit, to roll it. And then I cut some of it off so that it rolled open, and I'm going to add like stickers and stuff behind the photos. Now I did cut some of the cut file off so that I could be able to add my photos. I wanted it a little bit bigger and make it look bigger. And I'm just kind of like, you'll see me kind of playing around with this to try to get it to look right. And I got it. I do use a bunch of adhesive, the ATG adhesive and whatnot, to get it down. So I did back the cut file, and I wanted to use more of the greens. So the layout, the photos, I am using the green parts of this. And the one thing I do like, just a total side note, I do like the Scrap Room stuff when I get their flavors of the month, because I get one layout out of these collections. And sometimes when you purchase these types of collections that you're just not sure how you would use it, I like that I can get one layout saying, hey, oop, I got it, and I have a layout with it, and then I'm kind of done with the collection, right? Because that's kind of where I'm at in my scrapbooking right now. So I did use, like I said in the beginning, I did use Confessions. This is her design team layout for November, my first one for November, and I absolutely love how this one turns out. Make sure that you go check out her Etsy shop. She has amazing stuff. She has a huge surprise during Black Friday that's coming up here in November. So be on the lookout for that. You'll see a bunch of us posting it. Not just me, but we'll be all posting about it. And we will make sure that everything looks all nice and, give you guys all the deets, right? Because I cannot believe it's November already. I mean, this year just flew by. I just can't, I'm stunned that we're already to November, and we've got Black Friday coming up, and then we're into December, and we know that we have December daily. I don't know about you guys, but I already ordered one of my December daily collections, obviously from the Hip Kit, and then obviously I'll get this one in. But yeah, we just have all these, stuff that's coming up, all these sales that are going to come up for all these companies, and you guys just be on the lookout. And it's kind of that time of the year. So I went in and used, all we got was this sticker sheet, which is fine by me. I used up almost all of it. And I love how I did this zipper. I think that it worked out wonderful. I didn't want it to go all the way across, because then my stickers could finish it across. And you'll see, I play around with these embellishments quite a bit to make it look, to work in my favor. And so I'm home. This is, when I do this voiceover, it's a Wednesday. This is going up on Saturday. I've been scrapbooking because I'm at home right now. My daughter tested positive for the flu, and so she's home resting, and I'm taking care of her on Wednesday, Thursday, and then my Josh is going to watch her on Friday, and then we will send her to school with me on Monday. But I'm going to go to school on Friday because since he's home, I can go to school and at least get myself organized again for the week going into the next week. In that regards, I haven't been able to grade or any of that kind of stuff. Now that I'm home, I'll be able to get some stuff done here too. But I like the fact that I can just scrapbook. I am spending all day on Wednesday just scrapbooking and doing voiceovers so that, when it comes to Friday, I'm not, like, I can be able to work over the weekend too. So, yeah, it so happened. She doesn't have it bad in the regards of how some people have sounded, in the regards of having the flu. So she gets short-winded quite a bit. She's been sleeping. Her temperature has been kind of in and out. It fluctuates between 99 to 100. So it hasn't gotten too heavy, but she has to stay home. She's got to quarantine until I know for sure she's good to go and she feels comfortable enough with going back to school. So yeah. So I'm just embellishing, just trying to get this to look good. Obviously, I'll do all of my fun stuff at the end. I'll add some shimmer paints to it. Obviously, this is Let's Create or Craft or whatever from Echo Park. Yeah, Let's Craft. So this fits perfect for the photos. These are like 2 of the projects that I did with my kids last year. And yeah, I just love how this one turns out. I like the fact that I used all that crafty type stuff for this layout because I think it's still a lot of fun for what is on the layout. And so I'm just kind of adding different little things here and there. And then I decided to take 3 of these little banners and add it onto one side and then leave the other side. I think it just fits kind of that rapport that I like. It's just me. You know how I just love to add more is more. I swear, more is not less for me. More is more. So this is where I come in and I try to do a banner on both sides. And I'm like, nope, I'm going to stick to just these 3 because it just fits. And then you'll see me come in with my twine right there. Get it glued down so that that's ready to go. And it just fits on this side. I don't know why. I didn't put anything on the other side. It just fits. Now, you guys are probably thinking, why did I cover up the photos? But I know what they are. And if somebody ever asks me, that's fine. But I kind of wanted them tucked in there to make it look like I'm zipping up a couple of things. I'm zipping up different things. And I like the fact that I didn't roll this paper out that much. I like that I rolled it and it's got a little bit of a difference. So it's like 2 zippers in one. So that is about it. You will see me definitely go ahead and do my splatters. It's Sunset Strip from Shimmer's Paints. I do my doodling right here. Y'all know that I cannot go without doing that at this point. All of that is coming into play. And then that is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I do upload normally between 2 to 3 times a week. I do design teams and collaborations and all of that fun stuff. Make sure you go check out Confessions. This Zip It one is amazing. The snow shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.